Hi, welcome to the session of Software Fundamentals. By the end of this video, you will learn what is software, type of software, what is an algorithm, what is a flowchart, what is a pseudocode, difference between them. What is software? A software is the set of instructions that tells about the computer what to do. Whenever we use a mobile phone or computer, we interact with the software. For example, YouTube help us watch videos, WhatsApp help us communicate, and Chrome help us browse the internet. So here how this software work is like all the software has this set of instructions which guides the computer what to do. Types of software. So software is divided into three different types: system software, application software, and program software. So system software controls and manages the hardware. Application software helps user perform specific tasks, and programming software is used by developers to create other software applications. Here some of the examples for system software are Windows and Linux. For application software, Microsoft Excel, Chrome, YouTube are the examples. And for programming software, VS Code and Eclipse. Algorithm. Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. Here, normally we use the algorithm in our day-to-day life without realizing it. For example, making tea follows a fixed set of steps like boiling water, add tea powder, add sugar, serve tea. These are the steps to make a tea. Similarly, the algorithm defines a step-by-step procedure to solve any problem. For example, largest of the two numbers. If you want, so for this problem, the steps are like uh, initially we start the process, read the inputs like here let's say A and B are the two numbers, and we compare them. Based on the result, we will get the output. Like if A greater than B, display A is larger than largest number. Otherwise, display B is largest number, and end and we end the algorithm. Flowchart. A flowchart is a graphical representation of the algorithm. So instead of writing steps in text format, we use symbols to visually represent the flow of logic. This makes the process easy to understand. Here some of the symbols of flowchart which is used to represent an algorithm. Oval shape is used to uh, define the start and end process of the algorithm. Parallelogram symbol used to define the input and output of the algorithm. Rectangular box is used to define the process of the algorithm. Flow direction is used to define the flow of the flow chart. Connector is used to connect the parts of the flow chart, and diamond shape is used to define the decisions. Now let's see an example for the flow chart. Now, let's take an example of largest of two numbers. Now here initially we use the oval shape to start the process, and again we use read A and B with a parallelogram, so which defines the reading of the input, and then we use the decision box. Here the decision is like which number is greater, A or B. So if A is greater, then we'll print the A, otherwise we'll print the B and we'll end the process. Pseudocode. Pseudocode is simple a way to describe programming logic. So pseudocode is not a programming language, but it helps programmers plan their solution before writing actual solution. So using the pseudocode makes it easy to understand, and it is a language independent. Now let's see the example for the pseudocode. Let's take the example of largest of two numbers. So these are the steps, like this is the process used to define the pseudocode. So here we didn't use any programming syntax or logics. So we only use the simple English language to understand the steps better. So here start defines the start of the process and reading inputs uh, based on the condition what's the output. This is the process we use it to define the pseudocode. Now, what's the difference between algorithm, flowchart, and pseudocode? These three concepts are closely related. An algorithm provides the solution steps. A flowchart visually represents those steps. Pseudocode expresses the same logic in a structured English-like format that is closer to programming. What we learned today? Today we have learned about software, types of software, algorithm, flowchart, pseudocode. Thanks for watching.